afternoon. And we're going to the park. Naglalakad-lakad kasi kami dun sa, sa harap ng bahay. Tapos naisipan kong dalhin si Bella sa park. Dito malapit sa village namin. Ay, I forgot to... Babe, did you bring this pillow? I forgot to remove this. Oh, kakatapos sila mag-drink ng milk. So, I think may energy na siya. Para maglakad. Say hi guys! I'm gonna go to the park for the first time. Oh, may milk ka pa sa labi. Ang hilig talaga ni Bella mag-open ng bag. Lagi niyang in-open yung bag ko. Okay, so andito na kami sa park. Magpa-parking na lang kami. Yan, ino-open na naman niya. Anong meron dyan? Walang laman yan, Belle. House key lang yan. Ang nasa loob. Belle? Smile! Why so serious? Yan po. Yan po yung ginagawa niya sa bag ko. Remove, okay. Close the bag. Close. 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 Oh, good job. Oh, kino-close niya.
Go.
Okay, let's go. Close the bag first. Okay, good job. Done. Okay, let's go down. Papa is ready. Okay, maglalakad na kami. So, the last time we went here, nung buntis pa ako. Tapos ngayon, 14 months na si Bella. Ngayon pa lang kami nakabalik. May naglalaro dyan ng soccer. Papa, let's go near the slide. I like here, babe. There's a lot of like bamboo. There are bamboos there. Yeah. There are benches there near the food stalls. Yan, nagsisimula na siyang tumingin-tingin sa paligid. Belle, they're playing, my love. La, look at the slide, Bella. Look. I know. Huh? No, it's not. You just woke up.
Ice cream, so.
Yeah, let's buy.
Oh, nice.
Gusto niyo daw mag-ice cream, so let's find an ice cream store. Potato fries, ice cream, donuts. There's no ice cream there. We're going inside na sa ice cream house.
Yeah, lasagna. 135 for all lasagna.
What do they have here? Oh, this is mango, I think, or caramel.
Let's try.
Let's try. Okay. Huh? Cone? No, they only have this.
Okay.
What? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get. So, ayan, nakabili na kami ng mango caramel tsaka pinipig. Yung cashier nag-wave kay Bella. So, maghahanap kami ng mauupuan dito. Let's see if there are available benches. Huh?
Mel will be walking soon.
Yeah. She just woke up. Ganyan yung mukha ng batang yan. What are you checking, babe?
What is money ground?
Active area po ito. Dito sa malapit sa village namin. Wala kaming mahanap na maupuan. Where?
A girl just left.
Okay, let's go.
Come on.
Come on. Run.
Run.
Run. It's our turn to sit there.
Get the bench.
Okay. Okay, so dito kami uupo. Belle, we're gonna sit here. Papa and Mama will eat ice cream. I'm gonna give you a cracker too, okay? Yay, Papa!
Oh, you want the ice cream too?
I took a tissue. Ay, wow, the tissue na. Ice cream? Okay, I'll give you a cracker. Ha? Yum yum? Nanonood siya ng ng soccer. Don't worry, Lala. You can play with them when you grow up. Masarap?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay? Too sweet?
No.
Open, please. Open. Ha? Mama did not open you. Open it by yourself. Open.
Try to open that.
Try to open la. Papa, yet. I cannot open. Okay, I'll help you. I'll help you. Oh. Hmm? Come on. Binigyan ko siya ng meal kanina. Baka busog pa siya. Yeah. Gabriel Arcangel. The name of this play school. Ah, it's a play school, babe. It'd be good for Bella. So, ito yung binili ko. Pinipig. They're toddlers from like 5 to 7 years old playing. Masarap lang yung chocolate na coat. What? More?
Your ice cream. Get sick.
Yeah, I know. Not the ice cream. Take your cracker.
You're a cheerleader, Ala.
She's clapping. Kaya mo na yan, be. Tingnan natin kung makukuha niya. Okay, good job. Danya. Eat, eat. So proud of you, Belle. Almost finished, not yet.
Started.
Okay, tapos ko na yung ice cream ko. Si Bella hindi pa tapos. Tsaka si Papa Jenya. Malapit nang maubos. Pupunta kami doon, malapit para makapanood si Bella ng malapit. Oh, dog! The dog is barking la. Nakarinig siya ng aso. Uy! What is the sound of the dog again? Huh? Say woof woof! Woof woof!
No, babe.
Oh my love! Look at... Inopen na nila yung Christmas tree dyan. Yay! Let's watch, Belle! Look at the Christmas tree, oh! Let's watch the lights. She likes this place. Oh, one more. I'll finish your cracker. Pasok. Pasok ang mga kamay.
Sit with Belle, I want to read what's there.
Belle, where is Papa? Papa Kidye? Nag-check si Jenya ng school, play school for Bella. Hindi nyo ba alam na nasa tiyan pa lang si Bella, nag-check na siya ng paaralan kung saan siya mag-aaral ng kindergarten, ng elementary, at saka high school. Sobrang excited ng papa mo, Belle, na paralin ka, Belle. Tingnan nyo nga, oh, nire-remove niya yung ano. Wait lang ha, wait lang. Wait lang, don't shout.
Okay. Go.
Which team, babe?
Huh?
Which team?
Blue.
Blue team?
It's a blue team only.
Mapit kami para makita ni Bella. Oh, she's talking.
You support blue team?
Yellow? Oh, no, there's no yellow. Mama is wearing yellow. There are only white and blue teams. What?
Ah, yes.
Oh, are you cheering the team? Ah. Wait lang, may dumi yung mukha mo, Belle. May cracker pa.
Yeah, good job. Wala.
Nagsasalita si Bella. It's good to bring you here sometimes, right?
Yeah, she needs to rush it.
Yeah.
It is 5:25, I think we gotta go.
Can I go to the grocery quickly?
Go, we stay here.
Okay. Let's go there.
YouTuber is back.
Okay, uwi na kami kasi madilim na. Baka makagat na si Bella ng lamok dito. Check your legs, Belle. Do you see mosquitoes? No? Alam na yung manong mag-check ng ano, ng legs niya kung may ano, may mosquitoes. Look at that! Bella, oh! Ah! Belle! Bella! Tinatawag niyo yung bata. Look at that, la! So good. Ganda dito, oh. Babe, I said it's beautiful here. Maganda. Ako.
Maganda. What's so dito?
Ha?
Dito.
Hot is mainit.
Mainit.
Mainit dito.
Mainit but getting dito. Alright, cold.
Ha?
How to say cold again?
Cold, malamig.
You told me dito.
No, malamig is cold. Hot is mainit. Then dito is here. So, mainit dito. It's hot here. Naglalakad-lakad na kami kasi papunta na kaming parking area.
Lakat-lakat namin.
Can you say it again?
Lakat-lakat namin.
Okay, so gusto ni Jenya dito kami maglakad sa grass. Bella!
Off-road. Off-road. Wow, off-road. Off-road. Let's walk lang. Let's walk.
Okay, gusto ni Jenya ilakad si... Ano na?
Yeah.
Si Bella.
Show me your skills.
Oh, it's her first time to walk on the grass. Yay!
Let's go.
Come on! Huy, mainit talaga kasi pinagpapawisan si Bella. Come on, Belle, come here! Come here! Aida! 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 proud of you, Isabella. Come here. Belle. Ang cute naman. Let's go home, Nala. Bella, let's go home. Nagpapawisan ka na, Belle. Mainit dito, sabi ng papa mo.
Just wait when she gets tired.
Okay. Let's make her tired. Don't hold Papa, Belle.
You want to get up?
Anak.
No, she wants more.
I think she will cry if you put her back. Ayaw na niyang magpabuhat. Gusto na niyang maglakad. Umiiyak siya pag binubuhat ng papa niya. Uli na to, Belle. Let's go home. Let's go. Bella! Naku, ayaw na niyang umuwi. I don't want to go home, Papa. Uwi na tayo. Tagal yung maglakad. Come on, Belle. Nakakatuwa. Ayaw umuwi ni Bella. Hindi pantay yung pants mo, Belle.
Do it more often, Mama.
Yeah. We need to come here often. Oh.
It's good that she woke up ground.
Yeah. School, 6:30 na. Di pa kami makauwi.
Lala got lost in the suburb. In the park.
You got lost?
To find the way back home.
Our house.
Lala, bring us back home. We got lost. You drive us back home.
Bella, quickly!
Yeah, you know.
Oh, tingnan mo, umiiyak pag binubuhat.
Okay.
Papa will put you down so that you can walk.
Okay.
Follow Mama. Come here.